In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your Wix website using Wix SEO Wiz. First, we'll begin by opening the Wix SEO Wiz tool from your Wix dashboard. This powerful tool is designed to help you easily improve your site's search engine optimization, even if you're not a tech expert. Once you've opened Wix SEO Wiz, you'll start with the guided setup to take your website's visibility to the next level. The setup will guide you through optimizing your site title, description, and keywords. These elements are crucial because they're often the first thing people see on search engine results. Think of your site title and description as a quick elevator pitch to entice potential visitors. Your keywords should reflect the content and purpose of your site to draw in the right audience. Make sure they're specific and relevant to your niche. With the basics set up, it's time to focus on visuals for a well-rounded optimization. Adding alt text to your images is an essential step. Alt text helps search engines understand what the images are about, which can improve your site's ranking. In addition, alt text is important for accessibility, ensuring that visually impaired users can understand the context of your images through screen readers. As you move from image to image, describe each one briefly and accurately in the alt text field. Next, optimizing your headings can significantly impact site performance and user experience. Headings not only organize content but also signal what's important to search engines. Use the hierarchy of headers properly. H1 for your main title, H2 for sections, and H3 for subsections. This structure is not only user-friendly, but also enhances SEO by establishing a clear flow of content. Your next step is to submit your sitemap to Google Search Console. This helps Google understand how your website is laid out and ensures all your pages are indexed correctly. This process is as simple as logging into your Google Search Console, finding the Sitemaps section, and entering the URL of your sitemap. Doing this regularly keeps Google updated on your site's content changes, ensuring better visibility. Ensuring your URLs are SEO friendly and adding meta tags to all pages can make a big difference as well. Keep URLs short, descriptive, and include your primary keyword when you can. Meta tags serve as snippets of your content, giving a concise preview in search results. They play a surprisingly big role, so use clear and engaging meta descriptions for each page. Finally, it's crucial to regularly update your content and monitor your SEO performance through analytics tools. Search engines favor active sites that refresh their content consistently. Whether it's adding blog posts, tweaking product descriptions, or refreshing old content, staying active helps maintain or even boost your rankings. Use analytics to observe your site's traffic and keyword performance, making adjustments as needed. And there you have it, a comprehensive yet straightforward approach to optimizing your Wix site with Wix SEO Wiz. Follow these steps to ensure your website stays relevant and reaches your target audience efficiently.